all this stuff from the top of the truck. Insulation. Looks like somebody's been living in here. So wish me luck that I don't find it right now, because there's a nest in here. Acorns and all kinds of shit. Look at that. Right on top of the distributor and elsewhere. Look at that. Look at that stash. Look at that. All these nuts. It's incredible, really. It's kind of annoying.